Hey, 7th grade. So here's your work for today, day 21 of Digital Learning Days. So you have a quick discussion at the beginning, just an imagining. You open this up and think about how you would measure this. It looks like a plus sign that's been stretched out. Okay, so how would you measure it? There's no wrong answer. Just make sure you're participating in the discussion board. When I'm looking for your grade, I need to see that you've actually typed something and maybe responded to somebody else like, hey, that was a good idea, Jada, or Luis, good thinking, or something like that. Just make sure that you are actively participating. And I'll go back to our work for the day. So then your main work for this is participate in this discussion. So you have the same picture, and now you've got 3 students think about how you find the surface area. So remember, the surface area is about finding all the space on the outside. So it's about this plus sign at the top. It's going to have a plus sign on the bottom, and then each of these sides right here, this one, all of those needs to be, you need to find the area and then add them up. So how much space is around? So you've got 3 students who have a proposal for how you should find the surface area. So we have Noah. Okay, so here's Noah. He says this is going to be a lot of work. We have to find the area of the 14 faces. So he's saying that there's 12 around here plus the plus sign, and add them up. Then we've got Elena. She says, well, it's not that bad, Noah. Oh, let me do our little cartoon picture of Elena. Here's Elena, yay, with her cute little ponytail flying in the air. So it's not that bad. All 12 rectangles are identical copies. So we can find the area of one of them, multiply that by 12, and then add the area of the 2 bases. So each of these blue ones, she says, find the area of that, multiply by 12, then add these bases. And then we've got Mr. Andre. So here's Andre. Okay. And Andre says, well, there's actually even another way. Imagine unfolding the prism into a net. So you guys talked about nets in 6th grade, and we've reviewed them a little bit this year. We can use one large rectangle instead of 12 smaller ones. So if you read each of these 3, Noah, Elena, and Andre, who would you agree with? Who has the best method, or who has the accurate method for finding the surface area? So that's what you are going to type in your discussion board. So then you go ahead where it says the discussion. You want to go ahead, click on start a new thread, enter your subject, you put your name. So I would put Mrs. Aikens. I would put I agree with whoever, Noah, Elena, Andre, because, and make sure you finish that. That's what I'm looking for you to have. Okay? So that's what you got for today. And see you guys on our Google Meetup.